apparently. Shut off 3 or 4 times on me. So anyway, I did this crack here. Filled it in for hopefully the last time before I get it covered. You know, clean the driveway down, spray it with the sealer. So I got whatever I needed to get. Oh, this is going to fall down in the wind. I'm telling you right now. So I'm just going to leave the ladder down like that. Because it's windy today again. See those trees up there? So I'm going to, because I want the ladder there so nobody will come up the driveway. Like the mail lady maybe, I don't know. And I'm just going to leave that there so that she does not come up the driveway. Or anybody else does for that matter. Wow. What I got in here? Recyclable. Yeah, this is the box those 3 tubes came in. And there's my recycle bin. Today's recycle. So I'm going to toss this in there. Figuring I know what I'm doing. Hang on. I think I do. I'm getting cold. Did I say that? It's cold out, man. Good deal, Gowie. Good fucking deal, Gowie. All right, we're done. I got metal.